Hey Python programmers, so in this video I'm going to explain you about a program to reverse a number in Python. So I think most of you guys know the trick that we can also convert that number into string and then we can reverse the number, right? That is one scenario. In this we'll write some logic and we'll reverse a number. So let's get started. So what we can do, we can just take one answer variable and then I'll use one while loop and I'll say while n is not equal to 0. Okay, don't worry, I'll explain you the logic behind this, and then I'll say I want a reminder of the every time I'll divide this with 10, so I'll get the reminder that will be our uh, last digit. Then what we can do, we can multiply 10 with the answer. So currently answer is 0, then we'll multiply 10. So uh, we have a multiplied answer with 10, and then we can store this into our answer variable. Okay, and then now our last digit got stored into our answer. Now what we can do, we can just uh, will take only this part. So what we can do, we can just say n is equal to n uh, divided by 10. Okay, so by this step we are ensuring that we only need this part, right? So earlier we have used this last digit and now we just want this part. Okay, so we have divided that, and similar until the n reach to the 0, this while loop will run. Okay, and then at the end let's print the answer. So let's say print answer. Okay, so let's run this program. So as you can see, we got 3 2 1. Okay, so that is the logic behind this program. Let's debug this program. So what we are doing actually, first let me write here. So first what we are doing, we are just taking 1 2 3, and then uh, we are taking the modulo of this n. So the modulo will give us a 3 value. Then we are just multiplying 10 with the answer. So earlier answer is 0, that's why we will get answer is equal to 3. Okay, answer is equal to 3. Then we are also taking n is equal to n divided by 10, so the n will be 12. Okay, this time, so 12, and then we will taking the modulo of 12, that will give us a 2. Okay, and uh, then answer was earlier 3, so we'll multiply 3 with the 10, so that will give 30, and then 30 plus 2, that will be 32. Okay, so now in our answer that is 32, and similarly we will have 1 3 2 and 1 at the end of this while loop, and then we are just printing that answer. So that was the logic behind this. I hope you understood this program. Thank you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.